Hello, my dear student. Today I am going to study formation of image by a concave mirror. So this is helpful for standard 8 and 7. It is in the syllabus of standard 7. So first of all I am going to discuss the formation of image by a concave mirror. So we have to select the position of object where you are placing the object. So position I am taking here on the focus of concave mirror. On the focus of concave mirror I am giving here. This is the question. Now here is a concave mirror, MN is concave mirror, P is pole and Px is the principal axis, E is center of curvature, F is focus. So to form the image we require at least 2 rays and maximum 3 rays. One is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it will pass through the focus, and other, if the ray is passing through the focus, after reflection it will become parallel to the principal axis. And third ray is when the light ray is coming through center of curvature, then it will retraces its path. I have discussed it in the previous video. So object is placed on focus. This is object. We have to take 2 images, 2 rays. One is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it is passing through focus. And other we have drawn here by taking using laws of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So light ray is coming to pole of the mirror at an angle I, and then it will be reflected back with the same angle along this direction. As these 2 light rays is parallel to each other, so it will not meet, or we can say it will meet at infinity. So what will be the position of image? At infinity. As these 2 rays will meet at infinity, so it is actually meeting at infinity. Therefore, the nature of image will be real and it will be inverted. So size will be very, very larger than the object. It will be very, very larger than the object. Now we will change that. This is the first situation. We have taken here first situation. Now we will change for the second situation. We will change the position of the object. Now come to the second question and second position. Position of object is now placed between focus and center of curvature. So here is AB is the object. It is placed between center of curvature of this concave mirror and focus, and a light ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus, and the light ray passing through the focus, it will become parallel to the principal axis. So we have taken 2 incident ray and that is reflected and it meets at this position A1 and B1. So A1, B1 is the image formed by the concave mirror of the object AB. So what is this position of the image? Position of the image is here we can write beyond C. And nature of the image is as previous. It is real, as it is actually meeting. 2 reflected light rays are actually meeting. So it is real image. So real will be always inverted. You can see it is head is upward and its head is downward. So with respect to the object, it is inverted. So the nature of the image will be real and inverted. Now see, what is the size? The size is larger. You can compare larger than the object. So size is larger than the object. You can see AB is smaller than A1, B1. So it is larger than the object. Now come to the next situation. What will be the next situation? We will take the object at C and let us see where is the image is forming. Let us see where is the image formed. Okay. In this situation, the position of object is on the center of curvature C पे रख दिया. यहाँ पे object को हमने रखा C पे. और as previously we are taking two light rays. One is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it will pass through the focus, and other is passing through the focus. It will become parallel to the principal axis after reflection, and so these two reflected rays are meeting at this point. So we will have this image and object. You can see here the position is on center of curvature again. If the object is placed at center of curvature, the image will be again at the center of curvature, and you can see it is made due to the actual meeting of reflected rays. So it is real and inverted. Here I have written real and inverted. And size, you can see, you can measure, it is same to the size of object. So it is of the same size. So this is the third position. This is the third situation. Now come to the next situation. Let us see the object if it is moved beyond C. If what will happen if the object is taken beyond C, that will be true. Here is the next fifth position, beyond center of curvature. Object is placed beyond C, center of curvature के बाहर रखा गया है. This AB is object. Similarly, we are considering a parallel light ray. It will pass through the focus of the concave mirror, and one is passing through the focus. It will become parallel to the principal axis, and it will meet at a point at B1. So image is formed A1, B1. You can see here the position is between F and C. If the object is placed beyond C, the image is formed between F and C. Here I have written F and C. Now you can see it is nature. What is the nature? As it is formed due to the actual intersection of the reflected ray, so it is real and inverted here. So nature is not changing in any situation. We are looking over it that till now the nature is not changing. Now what is the size of the image? You can see it is the smaller than the object. So this is the fifth situation. Now let us consider the object is placed at infinity. अगर इनफाइनाइट डिस्टेंस पे ऑब्जेक्ट को रखते हैं और कनकेव मिरर है तो इमेज कहाँ पे बनेगा? इनफाइनाइट पे रखने से हम लोग इसमें देखते जा रहे हैं कि जैसे जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट को दूर ले जा रहे हैं, एज वी मूव द ऑब्जेक्ट फार्दर एंड फार्दर, इमेज इज कमिंग क्लोजर एंड क्लोजर. इमेज हमेशा नज़दीक आते जा रहा है. ऑब्जेक्ट दूर जा रहा है, इमेज नज़दीक आते जा रहा है. ये हम लोग स्टडी में ध्यान रखेंगे माय डियर स्टूडेंट. सो वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट. नाउ come to the sixth position of object at infinity. Object is taken at infinity. So my dear student, one thing you have to remember, if object is at infinity, then what will happen? All the light rays coming from the object will be parallel among themselves. जितने भी लाइट रे इनफाइनाइट पे ऑब्जेक्ट उससे आएगा तो सभी लाइट रेज आपस में पैरेलल होंगे. अगर हम उसके तरफ में इसके फेस को करेंगे कनकेव मिरर को, तो हमारे जितने भी लाइट रेज आएंगे वो हमारे प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के भी पैरेलल हो सकते हैं. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. अगर हम इसको सही नहीं रखेंगे तो आपस में पैरेलल होंगे, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल नहीं भी हो सकते हैं। तो हम दोनों सिचुएशन को दिखाएंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम टेकिंग दैट the concave mirror is such place that all the light rays coming from the object which is at infinity, they are parallel to each other. So we may consider this as a ray also, and it will retrace, because if the light ray is coming through center of curvature, it will retrace its path. So it is retracing. So here we have considered three rays parallel, all are parallel, so they will meet at the focus. So image is formed at focus. So position of image we have got on focus. Nature is real because it is made due to the actual intersection of reflected light rays. So it is real, and real is always inverted. So we have written here real and inverted. Now come to size. Size is invisible. You cannot see this. It is point size. So very smaller than the object, or we can say it is a point sized. Now let us consider if the light rays are not parallel to the principal axis, then what will happen, how the rays diagram will be done. So this is the next situation when the concave mirror is placed such that the principal axis of this mirror is not parallel to the light rays. So if object is infinity, so all the light rays coming from object, they will be parallel among themselves. So we have taken here from infinity two rays falling on the mirror. Here you have to use laws of reflection, that is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Here it is two rays is falling at P1 and P. So if P1 is made, if we draw the dotted line from C to P1, it will be the normal. C to P, it is also normal. If any light ray on the sphere, a spherical surface, if you draw any ray, any line from the center, it will be perpendicular on the surface. So it is normal, so it will be angle of incidence I, and जितना ये एंगल बना उतना ही R से बना के इसको खींच लिया जाए, और देन अगेन ये भी जितना I बना रहा I1 उतना ही एंगल R1 बना करके यहाँ खींच लें, और where it is meeting at that point the image will be formed. In this situation we can say that image is not point sized, but it is forming at on focus. Object is at infinity, therefore image will be on focus, and nature is real and inverted. Size is very small, क्योंकि ये इसको हम लोग बढ़ाएंगे, बहुत बड़े साइज का ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसी का इमेज बन रहा है, and that is. And now come to the next situation. If the object is placed between pole and focus, what will happen? क्या ये रियल रहता है या वर्चुअल बनता है? इमेज का नेचर सेम रहता है कि नहीं? क्योंकि अभी तक जितने भी सिचुएशन हम लोगों ने देखा, in all situation the image was real and inverted. Size was changing, position was changing, but nature was not changing. Now let us see when the object is placed between pole and focus. So this is the last situation. This is seventh situation. And the position of object is placed between, we have taken here, between focus and pole. Focus and pole. And my dear student, the object is here. This is focus and this is pole. In between this, anywhere, कहीं भी आप रख सकते हैं. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि फोकस से थोड़ा सा हटा के रखिए, पोल से थोड़ा सा हटा के रखिए. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज बिटवीन फोकस एंड पोल. तो ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड बिटवीन फोकस एंड पोल. ए लाइट रे appears to come through the center of curvature, it will retrace its path. On that rules it is retracing. And ये वाला जो दिया है ये laws of reflection से दिया. Light ray falling on pole at an angle I, it will return back, it will reflected back at the same angle, because there is a law, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. तो यहाँ पे I is equal to R से बनाया, और ये दोनों you can see these two light ray are not meeting, दोनों दूर दूर जा रहा है ना, तो ये आगे नहीं मिलेगा, इसीलिए इसको बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में डॉटेड लाइन से मिला दिया। डॉटेड लाइन से मिलाने के बाद ये यहाँ मिलेगा, उसी जगह में इमेज बनेगा। ये बैक साइड ऑफ मिरर बना, ये वर्चुअल है क्योंकि ये अपने नहीं मिला है, एपरेंट इंटरसेक्शन से बना है, इसलिए इमेज वर्चुअल हो गया। तो व्हाट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज, व्हाट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज, ये हम लोग देंगे बिहाइंड द मिरर। बिहाइंड द मिरर, मिरर के पीछे है। हम लोग ये नहीं कर सकते फोकस के बाद है, फोकस के बीच में है, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, इधर सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर भी नहीं होता, फोकस भी नहीं होता कनकेव मिरर का। दैट इज व्हाई वी विल राइट हियर बिहाइंड द मिरर। नेचर क्या है भाई, नेचर बदल गया है, नेचर ऑफ इमेज। यही चीजें हम लोग को जानना था, सभी में नेचर नहीं बदल रहा था, लेकिन यहाँ पे नेचर भी बदल गया क्योंकि ये बन गया वर्चुअल। वर्चुअल हो गया क्योंकि एपरेंट इंटरसेक्शन से बना है। और ये देखिए ऑब्जेक्ट भी अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में इसका हेड है, इसका भी अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में इसका हेड है, इसलिए वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट लिखेंगे। इरेक्ट का मतलब क्या होता है, सीधा, सीधा रहेगा, जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट है वैसा ही। नेचर भी मिल गया। साइज देख लेते हैं, साइज ऑफ इमेज क्या बन रहा है भाई, व्हाट इज द साइज ऑफ इमेज, यहाँ दिख रहा है साइज ऑफ इमेज। साइज ऑफ इमेज यहाँ नहीं दिखेगा, यहाँ लिख देता हूँ साइज ऑफ इमेज। व्हाट इज द साइज ऑफ इमेज, यू कैन सी, ये छोटा सा है, ये बड़ा हो गया है ना, लार्जर देन दैट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, सो इट इज लार्जर देन that of object. My dear student, these concepts will help you in standard 10 also, in standard 12 also. It is the basics of the concave mirror, how to form the image. In next video I will show the formation of image by convex mirror. So wait till then, you have to wait. And it is requested to all viewers that subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, and like. और आप लोग पूरा वीडियो देखिए तभी समझ में आएगा, थोड़ा नहीं देखना है, फुल वीडियो, सी योर फुल वीडियो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।